Hello, sir. Good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, hello, ma'am. Very good afternoon to you. And what's up? How's it going?
Yeah, everything is good. Fine.
And how was your day today?
Yeah, it was really good because now I came at my from my school on the time, so I thought that I should connect with you. Yeah, so I'm just here. And sir, first of all, we are meeting for the very first time. So could you introduce yourself, please?
Yeah, definitely. I would say certainly. And let me tell you about myself. So my name is Kamlesh, and most of the people they call Pushparaj. This is my nickname, and the people were given this name Pushparaj. So yeah, on social media platform I have mentioned my name, which is Pushparaj. And yeah, basically, I belong from Bhopal city in Madhya Pradesh, that is also known as central part of India. And that is my native place. And now, in these days, due to work purpose, I reside in Bangalore city in Karnataka state, and that is also known as southern part of India. And let me tell you about my qualification background. So uh, I did not that much complete that much qualification. I would say I did only 10th standard. So that is my last qualification. So due to some circumstances I had, so I did not pursue further studies after 10. And yeah, then after I become working personal, so now I'm doing job as the profession which I have. I drive vehicle, and yeah, so in this profession I have been working for last 5 or 6 years. So now I got opportunity to reside in Bangalore city. So here in this place, I've been studying for last 2 years, and yeah, let me talk about my core of interest. So I love to interact with people, especially in English language, and moreover, I found in listening song and singing song as well. So this is all pretty much about me, ma'am.
Ah, wow, that's really nice. So, shall I introduce myself?
Yeah, please go ahead, proceed.
Okay, so as you know, my name is Ritu. I am basically from UP. Currently, I live in Ghaziabad. It is also part of UP where I live. Uh, by profession, I am a teacher where I teach LKG and UKG combined classes. I have been in the teaching for the last 3 years. I love teaching and helping children to improve themselves. As far as my education concern is, I have completed my masters in economics. Apart from that, B.Ed as well. And if I talk about my hobbies, so yeah, I love watching podcast videos regarding to English and cooking, traveling, and is one of my favorite hobby is watch podcast videos regarding to English. Just because when I watch some content regarding to English, that I think I am learning something new. I nowadays I love interact with people as well for getting fluency because nowadays I'm just like a beginner, so I have to work more and more on my communication. So that's the reason I love this very much. And apart from that, now I am a YouTuber as well, right? I upload some videos on my channel as well. I am a mother of one daughter. Yeah, that's all about me. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, that is great, pretty great to hear about yourself, ma'am. As I got to know that you are really passionate about to improve your communication, and you are really a determined person, I would say.
Exactly, sir. That's
Okay, so,
my favorite language is this. Anyhow, I want to command on this because I
oh,
don't know. In my childhood, I was very passionate with this, but just because of the lack of time, lack of guidance, no one was there to guide me. Right, so that was the reason behind it. But now I got a very good environment, even supportive family as well. So I thought that just now I have time, so why should I not learn this language? So that's the reason behind it, and I'm working
yeah,
very hard on this.
definitely. I really am glad to hear about you. And so let me ask one thing. So as you have mentioned, you are married. You are a mother of one daughter. and also you are married first, and then simultaneously, as you are, you said you are working first now. So and simultaneously, along with your, improving your communication in this language. So these all the things you are doing at the same time. So how do you manage it? As a being a homemaker, how do you manage? Could you elaborate yourself, please?
Okay, so if I talk about managing the time, right? First of all, I have made a timetable at what time what I will do. So that's the reason in the morning I have to wake up early just because of that I can manage my time. So in the morning I have to wake up, then I have to finish my all lunch and whatever it is, then I go to my school and I teach there. Apart from that, when I come from there, so I finish my all household chores after. So and then I try to talk with people as well, because you know that I have YouTuber as well, so I have to connect with people for making conversation video, right? So these kind of things I just carry every single day, because when you are passionate with uh, learning something or doing something, so at the time there's no need to think about your timetable. How do you manage? This is in your, at the time I have to do this thing and that thing, like that. These things I do everything. I don't think that I don't have time. Of course I have time, anyhow I have to handle. So this is my, right. So
Oh,
this thing is behind this.
definitely, definitely. Yeah, good to hear about you. And so, as you have mentioned, okay, so you are now improving in this space in this language. So, from since morning to evening, what kind of strategy or technique do you follow to improve your communication? And what kind of the content do you learn on your daily basis? And how do you practice it? Could you tell me about the strategy? Where do you follow?
Okay, so if I talk about my strategy, in the morning I don't have time to watch videos, yeah, talking to people. So that's the thing. But after come school, I just follow the rules and regulations in my communication, because after 1 o'clock, I just try to connect with people. I have some groups, WhatsApp groups. So and in them groups, I try to connect with people, right?
Definitely, definitely. Okay, so now, okay, so you have shared your strategy. Where do you follow to improve it? Let me tell you about my strategy. What I follow it. Okay, so
Exactly.
being I'm improving my communication. So on my daily basis, I would say I am really fond to use social media platform. So some of the social media platform I have, which is such as YouTube platform, and I would say no, so many platform I have, along with one application as well, where I can interact with people in all over the India, especially for in English language, right? So whenever while practicing with them, while using this kind of the content, this kind of the social media, when I come across to know new words, whether those are vocabulary or idiom or phrases, whatever the English content, if I come across to know, then I do from my side. Okay, so I carry a diary, and since when I have initiated my journey to improve my communication, since then till now, I have been maintaining a diary. So when I come across and to know the new words or new content in English, I just try to jot down in my diary. I just try to
Exactly.
note down. Okay. So and along with if I face some difficulties to get the meaning over there about the same content, so I just use the Google application or Gemini and ChatGPT for gathering information about their meaning, about the example, about to understand the concept over there. So I use these application, these platforms to gather information to, I would say, to understand it. And then after this content, whatever I have jot down in my diary, the same content, when it comes to speak with someone in English, when I practice with someone, I just use these content, whether those are anything, okay, in English. So I just try to add in my sentence when I need to, when it comes to frame the sentence, when it comes to deliver my sentence, while giving a speech, while interacting with people. I just try to add these content in my conversations. In this, how I practice. And one more thing I would like to say. Always, actually, I belong from the North India in central part of India. So there, I have native language is Hindi, and I know very well how to speak in Hindi. But talking about this language, which is Hindi, which is English, it is my secondary language. And so I got to know that okay, so if I don't use this language in my day-to-day routine, so I can't improve it. So because of this, I just try to nah, interact with people, okay, so in my surrounding, whether with my staff, with my colleagues, okay. So if I need to interact with them, I just always try to use English sentence with them instead of Hindi. Okay, so in this way, each and every time I face different situation, different circumstances I have to face. So I just utilize this conversation and simultaneously I'm improving in this way. So this is how I practice in my side, in my case.
Exactly, sir. You are really doing well. So first of all, you said that you have completed your 10th class, right? So you have only completed your high school. I mean to say 12th, 10th class, and you speak really well English. So how did you do practice for this?
See,
Exactly. You are just
okay,
get you have got now you have got that kind of fluency in your speaking. So that's really
commendable,
okay, commendable.
terrible.
Exactly.
Mhm.
Certainly. So they how
Okay.
what is the reason behind it, and what did you do for getting that kind of fluency? Can you tell us
Oh yeah, yeah,
with the
definitely, ma'am,
help of
definitely.
our uh,
Mhm.
with the help of
Shall I start?
yeah, exactly. Sure.
Okay. So let me tell you about my journey where I have started, where I have initiated. So to be honest, when I was in my schooling period, when I was in my academic years, so actually my whole qualification I did it with Hindi medium school. So due to that, I did not get English environment over there. Due to that, I didn't get that much fluency. I didn't get any of the environment of English. So, but simultaneously, I had a passionate about to learn English, to speak English. Because let me tell you one story at that time, what I faced it. When I was ninth or 10th standards, I was studying. So due to that, simultaneously, I was attending a coaching classes, right? So for the ninth or tenth, right? So I used to attend a coaching classes. So what happened over there? There were so many students. They were coming to attend the class, and some of the students, most of the students, they were belong from the English medium school, and I was part of that as a Hindi medium school, right? So they English medium students, they were communicating to each other in English, and at the time I was belong from Hindi medium, so I didn't understand everything whatever they are interacting to each other. So uh, these that conversation it just inspired me a lot at that period. So since then I have decided, okay, my God, okay, so I belong from Hindi medium school, and how I can improve my English. Even I don't have resources. I had only bookish knowledge at the time. So even I had not any kind of English environment where I can practice it. But since then, that time I have decided, okay, so however I need to learn it, however I need to practice it, at any cost I have to be learn it. Okay, let's see what will happen. But I have decided, and then since then to till now, gradually I've been improving myself, and simultaneously I'm getting resources about the smartphone or social media. So when I got since then to till now, have been utilizing social media platform, and simultaneously have been improving as well. So yeah, in this way, I have been enhancing my knowledge. I have been getting fluency, and it was really tough story I have. I would say it's really I was in cold feet at that time in beginning time when I was, and even I have started from the scratch my journey. So it was really challenging, I would say. So however I have been improving whatever the resources I have been getting, I have been utilizing, and simultaneously gradually have been improving. So this is how I have been learning. And now as as I know that I have so many resources, we have so many social media platforms, so we utilize it. We have to take advantage, and and one more thing I would like to say. No, most of the people they really want to use social media platform. Even there's so much time spent over there to utilize it. But being a learner, we are improving in this language. So obviously we need content, English content. So due to that, how much time we are spending on social media, so we must have to be no, we have to be utilized. We have to be consume English content from that. So if we are gathering English content from the social media, so definitely we are going to no useful for we are going to help enhance ourselves to getting content from the social media. And on the other hand, other people what they do, they no usually waste their time on social media to scroll video normally. Okay, so being I'm a learner, I just utilize this way, and simultaneously I'm getting advantage from the social media, and however I have been improving. So this is how I have initiated my journey now.
That's really wonderful.
Mhm.
Exactly. Nowadays, what people do, they always scroll the phone for nonsense method. They never use that social medias, whatever they are using. If they use for getting something new skills, maybe they can also speak like you. I would say that you really speak so fluently. There's no chance that you can stop. Even you are just speaking more and more, but I was just listening you properly, right? So there's the reason, right? So this is really good thing. Even nowadays, I am also using this for like my CV application is there. I use
Mm.
that, but I didn't have to take subscription, right? So I use
Okay.
for 30 minutes daily. Even nowadays, many people they are just using these kind of applications. There are many
Mm.
applications like one of the MyCV application and second Ace Fluency. Many of them you can use just for getting fluency. This is in our hand only. No one can push you to do something new. You are the only person who can do anything. So I would say that who are learning this language, just go and use these kind of application for getting fluency. Even nowadays, many WhatsApp groups are there. Just go and talk with them. Even now, in the starting, what happened to me when I first of all I joined at one group. One day, what happened? One ma'am, she asked me some question, and I gave the answer in another way. Even she was asking something other, and I gave answer in other way. At the time, I thought what I did. I was properly embarrassed in front of her. Even the person, she was really very good and kind, I would say. At that time, she did stop me that Ritu, you are speaking wrong. I asked some other question and you are giving other question answer. So at the time, I thought that now I am not going to uh, talking in their group. And even 15 days, I have stopped my practice. Then I thought, what I'm doing? Why I am wasting my time? I should talk with people. Of course, they are the person who can tell your mistakes and so
Definitely, ma'am. Definitely, yeah. I really happy to hear about your effort. You are putting so much effort to improve, to enhance your skill, and definitely these kind of application, if we have, and being a learner, definitely we must have to be utilized kind of the application like an S fluency, CV application, and I would say one more application over there. I would say Peer Up application. That is one of the
exactly.
famous, right? So
Yeah.
yes, especially for beginner and that kind of the application, if they have, definitely they are going to take advantage over there because that these kind of the applications are providing the opportunity. And being a learner, we can get chance to interact with people, especially in English, and for enhance our communication, we can connect in all over the India, and simultaneously. Uh, we can enhance our skill in English, and simultaneously we can get chance to interact with all over the India, different state or different culture we can gather, and we will get to know about the what happened over there. And this is the beauty of this language, I would say, because let me tell you about the advantage. So it is our secondary language, I would say. So if we are able to interact with people, especially in English, so as we the advantage we have now, whether we need to visit in our India any of the state, as we know that all the states they have their different mother tongue. For example, Gujarat state they have their Gujarati mother tongue, right? And talking about the South India, there is so many mother tongues they have. About the Karnataka, there is a Kannada language, and Tamil Nadu, there is a Tamil language they have, and simultaneously Kerala, there is a Malayalam. Talking about the Punjab, they have Punjabi language. But being a, I belong from the North India, I can able to speak in my mother tongue. I'm so much comfortable to use it. But talking about the other native language, like whatever I have mentioned earlier, so I can't interact with them with their mother tongue. But on
Absolutely
that
right.
hand, this one language which is really useful to interact with them, which is English, which is as we consider it is really helpful in our India to interact with people, and simultaneously we get chance to visit outside from India in abroad. So this one language which is really helpful over there. It is really crucial language, especially to survive outside from India and abroad, and we can easily interact with people, as we know that it is one of the global language. So we can easily survive to utilize this one language over there. So this is the beauty of this language. I'm so thankful. I have initiated my journey. I have been improving. I have learned this much about. I have achieved this much knowledge about in this language. I'm so thankful and I'm so fortunate about where I have improved like this, and I can easily interact with people, especially in English. So I'm sometimes I think about myself. Okay, my God, I did something better. I have initiated my journey in this language. Okay, so somehow I'm so prouding myself. Okay, so in this how, and sometimes when I go at my place, so and simultaneously I oftenly use with my colleagues, with my friends in English. So they felt really wonder, oh my God, the guy they know able to speak English. Oftenly I interact with them, so they feel really wonder. Right, I would say. So at that time I feel more confident or more energetic when I use this one language with them to interact. So I got to realize that okay, this is how I have initiated my journey, and it is really great I have initiated. So this is kind of the things I felt it earlier. So I'm so glad to use this language, and it is really I would say it's really great language. I love to use it.
Exactly. Absolutely right. Um, uh, completely agree with your all points, because just this thing behind my scene, I would say that just because of that I'm learning this language. When we connect with the other one, they are from other states, and they don't know our Hindi language. Even when we try to talk with them, so just because of this language, we both person, we can convey our thoughts with in front of person. So this is the value of this language, I would say, that just because of this language you can go anywhere and you can interact with people. So this is the value of this language, I would say. So I'm so glad that
Definitely.
yeah, I'm so glad that I am learning this language and I'm interacting with people. Even I don't know you, even maybe it is possible then you don't know Hindi, right? But of course you know. And I was thinking about to talk with you, but just because of our language, we were not comfortable, right? But now, just because of this language, at least we can talk with. Uh, I mean to say we can talk with the together, right? So this is the really
Definitely.
beauty of this language. I would say everyone is learning this language just because maybe some reasons are there nowadays. What is happening? They people want to go in MNC's company. This is a compulsion. in MNC's company. If you know English, then they can select you for employee, right? Otherwise, they will not going to hire you just because of your English communication. So I would say that everyone should learn this language. This is really
Definitely, definitely.
good.
Yeah, certainly,
Yeah.
ma'am. And to be honest, being a homemaker, especially as you are a homemaker, as you are not doing professional work over there, as you do professional work over there. So definitely that place at your house as well, being a homemaker, being a married person, and I would say obviously the homemaker they have kids and their family, and obviously for their kids, for the sake of their kids, it's really necessary, useful language because and somehow we can being if we have good knowledge about in this language, definitely we can create environment at our house with our kids, with our family member. And simultaneously if we have good knowledge about in this language, if we are able to pick up with this wisely, so I would say being a student, they can easily get job, they can easily crack the interview, and especially in our India or somewhere, oftenly they conduct interviewer conduct with the English method they conduct interview. So obviously this language really helpful and crucial over there to crack it interview, and professionally at office or somewhere. So this language is very crucial and helpful over there to interact with people. And as I got to know that couple of days earlier, the people those who have not knowledge, they are not fluent in English. Somehow they are not struggle in their life to communicate. And if they use their native language over there, so they feel little bit awkward. So due to that, especially working personal and professional and being a homemaker or students, they must have to be aware about this language. They must have to be, being a fluent speaker, they must have to be knowledge how to communicate with them in English. At least that kind of knowledge they should have. They can easily survive in this field. So this is the beauty of this language, and I am so thankful. I'm learning.
Absolutely.
I'm improving day by day.
Yes, sir. Absolutely, you're right. So please continue.
Yeah, ma'am. I think it is my time is over. I after 50 minutes I have to be go somewhere because I'm a working person. And to be honest, I'm really glad to talk with you. It was really wonderful conversation with us. And
Exactly, sir. So, yeah.
yes, I wanted to talk with you. So today I got opportunity. So it is really glad to talk with you.
Yes, sir. I'm so glad because you are here and you just accepted my request. I'm so happy to have you here. Thank you so much for joining me. And very soon I will catch you. And even now I have many questions for you, but now no issue. Very soon we will connect with together. Okay.
So have you written already to ask?
Yes, I have written many questions to ask you,
Oh
but no
my
problem.
God!
Very soon.
And we will conduct another session, and then you will ask over
Exactly.
there. Okay?
Yeah, exactly,
And
sir. Because you have really good knowledge. I would say that
over
I'm
there in the
just a
next
beginner
session.
person. I am learning this language and I'm giving my 100% for getting this kind of fluency. So I'm just a beginner and I'm learning this language, but you know very well. I'm so thankful of you that you have